applying for jobs and not getting selected? Then the problem is in your resume or LinkedIn profile, not in you. I am so glad that this video was very helpful for everyone. If anyone has not watched it yet and looking to apply for data analyst at Morningstar, then please go and watch the video. I have added the link in the description. In this video, I want to talk about a very major issue which every fresher, even professionals face, that is applying for the jobs and not getting shortlisted. I too face the same. No replies, no clarity, no roadmap. I have applied for almost 80 applications randomly. The problem is not in you. The problem is in your strategy. Most people make these mistakes. Bad resume, weak LinkedIn, no proper strategy. So I have officially started LinkedIn Career Services to fix all of this step by step. This includes one-on-one 15-minute resume review session, 20-minute interview preparation session, and 30 minutes career guidance session. If you are serious about your career, then fill the form below. I have added the form link in the description. After filling the form, you will receive a mail from me. And after that, we can have one-on-one session as per your availability. Let's learn and grow together in this field of data science. Keep learning and keep exploring.